Hey, welcome back to Wannabe Mama. I'm Corinne Smart. This video is in conjunction with a video I just posted about no pregnancy symptoms. This video talks about the fetal Doppler and how to use it. This video was originally posted on Instagram, but if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I just took that video from Instagram and put it on YouTube so that you can see it. This device helped me stay calm and confident throughout my whole pregnancy that it was gonna last because it helps you hear the fetal heartbeat inside your uterus. If you guys have questions, let me know, but without further ado, here you go. So the last couple of days, my uterus has been subtly cramping, not intense cramps, but it's like the feelings of the beginning of a period. I am 12 weeks, 3 days pregnant today, and I keep going to the bathroom and checking to make sure there's no blood, and there isn't. Normally, I'd be freaking out because cramping is a scary sign. It's pretty normal, apparently, in pregnancy to have cramping because your uterus is getting bigger. But to help with my nerves, my doctor allowed me to buy a fetal Doppler, which is a heart monitor, which I can check my baby's heartbeat at home. And I do this about like once a day. Don't judge me. But it's super fun because the baby is big enough to hear the heartbeat, and I am going to, let's check for it right now. And what you do is you put the gel on the little probe, and it gets kind of loud, but you turn it on. And then the more gel you have, the easier you can hear, and I'm going to put it on my belly. So give it a second. It takes me about like 5 minutes to find it. I learned this morning, the more goop you put on, the more you'll be able to hear it. Is that it? That's it, can you hear it? You can tell it's it because it's woof, 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 woof. It gets pretty fast. So it's gone because I moved it. And it's back. Can you hear it? That's it. It's awesome. So whenever I feel cramping, or if you guys have like problems with miscarriage, and if you're past like 10 weeks, I recommend doing this at around 12 weeks because the baby's big enough to hear from the fetal monitor. But if you are nervous and you can't go to the doctor a lot, I would just buy one of these fetal Dopplers because it takes a second, but you can hear the heartbeat, and it's the coolest feeling ever. I can just check it at home. So I know that if I'm cramping or having feelings, if there's a heartbeat, I'm good. If you're wanting a fetal Doppler, I link these products in the description below so that you guys can buy them yourself. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys have questions, please let me know. Reach out to me on Facebook and on Instagram, or ask me questions in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching Wannabe Mama. Good luck, ladies.